Picking up some garden soil for my yacht. A yacht they're selling here at Rock and Soil. It's 60 bucks, so it's basically 2 scoops. These are all the rocks that they have here. Pea gravel. They have a lot of rocks here, so come get yours, guys. Yes, loading one yacht of soil on my 5 by 8 feet trailer. It's a utility trailer that I got from Lowe's that takes 1,500 pounds load. So once they load your trailer, they're gonna come and take the payment. It's gonna be cash only. Look at all the rocks they have here on display, pretty nice. You guys wanna grab some rock in the Metairie area? This Rock and Soil, my favorite spot to get my stuff for the garden. Gonna grab another yacht of soil. I think they might be on break time right now. Got my cash ready. It's gonna be 60 bucks for a yacht. I'm gonna walk around for a bit. I have some custom made flower welding. Let's see if anyone is here. Wonder. Hey, you working here? Good, how are you?
What do you need?
Can I get a yacht of garden soil?
You guys back up so I can get this up.
Okay, sure. So I'm gonna back up. There's a shovel here you can use to just spread your soil out.
Card or cash?
Do cash.
$60.
All right.
He wants 3 yards to 57 delivered. Can you do that today? No.
I mean, does it have to be?
I'm asking you.
Did the customer say it has
Thank
to
you.
be today?
He said he would prefer.
Not really, if you don't want to.
even out when I pull the trailer. Okay, I think that's good enough. Take a quick walk, see what they have here. Some lost Mesa Gray stone, 50 cents a pound. And they have the rolling cart down there that you can haul your rocks. Got a bunch of rocks here. Mexican beach pebble. These are the Texas Holy Rock. It's not rocks are pretty nice. Got a bunch of garden display here. All made handmade by the locals. They got a nice patio here. Mexican pottery. Some crystal rock over there too, really nice. They've got some laying stone over here. And they got these plants in the water. Oh, they got goldfish here too. Pretty cool. Goldfish. And they have plants. This stuff pretty nice. Come check them out, guys. Pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna move it in a bit. Okay. Oh man, these rocks are pretty nice. Check this out.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Checking it out?
Yeah, I'm taking a tour. Alright, they have some back stuff here too that you can get. Gravel pea, they have it back up that you can get. Alright, I'm heading out. Easier to reverse. Be filling this hole right here. Alright, I'm making a stop to get some sand here. And the river sand loaded. So this 5 by 8 feet trailer is rated for 1,500 pounds. So a yard of sand would be 2,400 pounds. So that's why I'm getting just half a yard. That would be 1,200 pounds. Sand are much heavier than garden soil. So garden soil I can get a full yard, but sand just half a yard. You spread it out yourself, make it even. So this much of sand is 15 bucks, pretty good deal. Alright, we're heading out. Clear my slip over sand here. Alright, let's get out here, guys.